the hanky panky Paul. Stop it right now. Me see the hanky panky Paul. Shanice, you think me blind? Shanice and Paul, we share the same mind. But Monchi, gyal, I pray you from behind. I send the hints, the wickedest kind. Me feel the change, the energy shifting. Your phone lock now, your memory glitching. Me ask you straight, me need the reasoning. You tell me no, adjust the seasoning. Stop the hanky panky Paul. Stop it right now. Me see the hanky panky Paul. Lord.
I've been waiting for this moment all night.
Me too. It's beautiful out here with you.
Look at the lights. It feels like we're in
This
our
is perfect.
home right.
I don't want it to end.
You find something funny on that screen, Paul? Or is it the screen that find you funny?
Just news, Shanice. Just the usual madness. You know how the world stay.
The world stay one way, but you stay another. Lately, your phone have more secrets than a politician.
Secrets? What you talking about? We share everything.
My house is your house, my plate is your plate. Then how Monchi name keep popping up like a bad weed in a garden? I see the hints, Paul. I see how she look at you at the shop, and I see how you pick up what she drop in.
Shanice, it's not like that at all. Monchi? She's a child to me, Shanice. You reaching now. You let your rebel mind run too far. Nothing now go on.
Don't tell me about nothing. I smell the hanky panky from a mile off. A rebel don't just fight wars, Paul. She senses them before the first shot fire.
You paranoid. I love you, man. Why would I mess with that?
I hope you're right. Because if I find out you are yielding to temptation, you are going to find out how a rebel deals with a traitor. Paul, you went behind my back. I knew it.
Shanice, it's not what you think. I can explain.
Oh, really?
Looks pretty clear to me.
Stay out of this, Monchi.
Please, let's just talk.
You always say that. Well, well, what do we have here? So this is the nothing you were talking about, Paul?
Shanice, it's not what it looks like. We were just...
Save it! South of the hints. I felt the shift, and now I see that the truth. You thought you could play the rebel? Maybe he just needed someone who knows how to have a little fun, Shanice. Fun? You think this is about fun? It's not about being boring, that's for sure. Fun? You call this fun? You're playing with fire, and you're both about to get burned.
Shanice, please, let's talk about this outside.
There's nothing left to talk about. The hanky panky ends here.
The beat intensifies as Shanice turns and walks out, leaving a stunned silence behind.
Get off me, Paul!
Shanice, wait! Let's talk!
I'm done talking! Oh!
Calm down! You're being crazy!
Don't touch me! Just stop!
Shanice, calm down. Let we talk like big people. Big people?
Big people don't play hide and seek with Monchi behind my back.
Shanice, please!
You can leave now.
What? You can't just throw me up. I pay rent here too.
You pay rent with lies! Out! Before I really lose my temper.
All right. Just give me my shoes.
Take them and run. Go find Monchi and see if she have a dad for a liar.
Me done with all of that. Step inside me yard. You must be mad. Me not gonna tolerate the disrespect you bring.
Don't let the sun rise and find you on my street, Paul. The realm is done with you.
Me no want no hanky panky. Me no want no hanky panky. Go find your bed out there on the cool ground. Shanice run the thing, me wear the whole crown.
This thing just burst open on me.
Never.
Now I'm stuck sitting in the dirt.
Get up, Paul. We're not done here.
Lord have mercy.
Paul? Is that you or a bundle of laundry sitting in the road?
Not now, Munchie. Just keep driving.
And leave my favorite business partner out here in the cold?
You told me she'd never find out. Now look at me. I have no house, no bed, and my good Sunday shirt is covered in grease.
Don't be so dramatic. You're free now, aren't you? No more yes, Shanice, no, Shanice. My sofa is leather, Paul. Much softer than the asphalt. You coming or you waiting for the rain to wash you away?
Is there space for the suitcase?
For the suitcase? No. For you? Always. Leave the trash behind, Paul. Let's go. Shanice, you look fresh. That yellow sundress is everything. Thanks, Tanya. It feels good to start fresh. We all knew Paul was trouble. Exactly. Now let's go enjoy the sun. Yeah, let's go. Girl, I needed this walk. This juice is everything. Right? So refreshing. This music. The vibe is perfect. So you mean to tell me you just heave him out like a bag of old yams? Yeah, the man was dead weight. Essay could phone read. No wonder why Gary coming home late. The house feel clean. I told you from last year, Paul had a shifting eye. But I never knew he'd be foolish enough to get caught by a rebel like you. He thought because we share everything, he could share himself with the whole of Kingston. Not in my yard. To Shanice, the only woman brave enough to sweep the trash out before the garbage truck even arrived. To peace of mind. And to never settling for a man who plays Hanky Panky. Next mission, changing the locks and painting the kitchen. A new life deserve a new color.
Do not be deceived, God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. You spread your bed hard, you sleep hard. Good riddance for bad choices.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.